Next topic we'll discuss about the block or shoe brake. So block brake is one which has one block, and this is the drum. So this block, when it's pressed against the drum, the brake is applied. So it's called as a block brake. So block brake, there are, it is under the action of few forces. Those forces are applied force F at the end of lever, normal reaction Fn between the wheel and shoe, tangential force F theta between the wheel and shoe, and pin reaction. So this is the applied force. This is the applied force F. This is the normal reaction Fn. This is the tangential force F theta, and pin reaction will be on here, x and y directions. So first we should know the symbols. MT stands for torque, capital N is the power in kilowatt, and the speed in RPM. The 2 theta is the angle of contact of the surface of the block. So this 2 theta is the angle of contact of the surface of the block. Mu is the coefficient of friction. L is the length of shoe. B dash width of shoe. P is the allowable pressure. F is applied force or operating force. F theta is tangential braking force. Fn is normal force. D is the diameter of the brake drum. R is the radius of the brake drum. A is the distance between the fulcrum pin, center of shoe. B is the distance between the center of shoe and applied force. C is the distance between fulcrum pin and action of tangential force F theta. So A is the distance between fulcrum pin, center of drum. B is the center of drum, tool applied force, and C distance will be the tangential force F from the center. So now there are three cases. The three cases in block brake. So case 1, when line of action of F theta passes through the fulcrum. The line of action of tangential force F theta passes through the fulcrum. The direction of F theta is towards the fulcrum. This condition. So here the F theta passes through the fulcrum. The F theta force passes through the fulcrum. This is first condition. So first condition, it's towards the fulcrum, and this is towards the fulcrum and away from the fulcrum. There are two cases. It's towards the fulcrum, towards the center of this fulcrum, and away from the fulcrum. So towards the fulcrum, the formula is F equals to F theta A upon mu A plus P. This is question number 19.144. And away from the fulcrum, the formula is F equals to F theta A mu A plus P. This is question number 1.44. And case 2, line of action of tangential F theta is between fulcrum and center of drum. So this is center of drum. This is line of action of force F theta. This is center of the fulcrum. So F theta passes from between this center. F theta passes in between, such as is second case 2. So there are again. So F theta is between the center of fulcrum is here, center of the drum is here, and passes from in the between of this and the center. This is second case. So in second case, the direction of theta is towards the fulcrum, towards the center, and away from the center. So towards the center, so formula is, we can get this in detailed book of volume 1, F theta F mu unto A upon A plus B 1 by mu minus C by A. This is question number 19.145 detailed book. So this is now this same case 2, away from the fulcrum. F theta is away from the fulcrum. So F theta is away from the fulcrum. This fulcrum is here, it is moving outwards away from the fulcrum f theta. So for such case, your formula is f equals to f theta into a plus b 1 by mu plus c by a. This is question number 19.146. Now the third case is the fulcrum is in between f theta and center of drum. F theta is either above or below the center of drum and fulcrum. That's the case 3 here. So this is the center, this is the fulcrum. The f theta is above these 2 points. F theta is above these 2 points. As you can see, the f theta is here. These 2 points are below or above. So this is third case of block break. So again there are towards the fulcrum and away from the fulcrum. So towards the fulcrum, the formula is f equals to f theta into a plus b 1 by mu plus c by a. This is question number 19.147 in the game book. Now, in direction f theta away from the fulcrum. So away from the fulcrum means acting away from the fulcrum. Formula is f equals to f theta into a plus b 1 by mu and c by a. This is question number 19.148 of the game book. Now we'll solve the problems on this.